Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, consolidating, little attempt down. It gets held in by the daily mid-band, and we keep bumping up now against this 42.30 area. You see the all-time high on the continuation chart up at 42.38. Just a little line here, roughly at 42.30. It was an issue back on Tuesday. It was an issue Friday. Sunday's open, and we're back in that, in that zip code now, printing 29.75. So bulls have to deal with 30. They have to get through 38 and then head up to, anywhere between 50 to 60. The daily upper band is currently sitting at 42.59 on the June contract. So that would be a natural area to lift into over the course of not today, but maybe the next couple of days if the bulls are going to deal with 42.30. If they can't and we start to come in, a couple key areas, you got the hourly mid-band, 42.25, then you see the new weekly pivot down there, 42.0833. Daily pivot comes in today at 42.12. Early in the week is a natural time to test that weekly pivot. Best they could do last night around Europe Open was 42.14. We'll have to see how this goes. I drew that huge box for you guys last week that covered six or seven sessions. That all really came to a head, and then with the jobs report, that was able to move to the upside and get back up to the top of the bigger area of 42.30. So Friday was an attempt to lift up out of the box, but we have to deal with this area. So it's 42.30 is a huge price. It's what the whole day is about. Do we close above or below it? If we close below it, how far below? And do the bears have any ability to convert weekly pivot back through? So as far as other areas are concerned, volume weighted average price, proprietary moving average, it's all locked up with the hourly mid-band between 23 and 24. Your 5-minute mid-band's at 26. So you got a lot of traffic right in here in the area of the hourly mid-band, but this is the big enchilada right here. You got to deal with it. You got to deal with it. If you deal with it, you get another 30, 40 handles to the upside. If you can't, it's probably just prolonging converting it. And the only way that people are really going to take the bears seriously is you get a very early week conversion, or early in the week conversion of weekly pivot, and you got the 9-day here. You deal with both of those, and you start to push back into where you were basically on Friday, back down here, 41.80 area, 41.90. If you can close down there, then people will start to take you a little bit more seriously than they do, because nobody takes you seriously right now, bears. Not at all. Not after this performance. Not after here, back up, and a lot of consolidation, and they're attempting to break out to the upside now. If they do that, then we can have a pretty straightforward upward week. The only question is going to be, how much velocity is there to the upside? Is it a slow bleed or is it a bigger move? Okay, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.